Do you want to make 2025 the year your dreams finally come true? I'm going to show you how to make your own vision board for 2025. Vision boards are a great tool to help you manifest the things that you visualize. Basically, a vision board helps you focus your energy, especially if you see your vision board daily. It keeps your goals front and center, right where you can see it, and it helps rewire your subconscious mind. And it helps attract opportunities that align with your goals. Now, there are several different vision boards you could do. You could do a digital vision board, so like one on your computer, one on your iPad or your tablet, one on your phone, or you can do a physical one. So like I have all my vision boards here, that way you can see them. I have 2023's vision board right here. If you can, it's following my face. Here it is. I know it's trying to find me, but this is my 2023 vision board. And then we also have my vision board from 2024, which I created on Canva this time. And then I went and had it put on a canvas. The first step when it comes to making your vision board is figuring out your goals. What do you want to accomplish in 2025? That should be your first step. Once you've identified everything that you want to accomplish, and I mean dream big, the universe rewards you if you dream big. If you dream small or play small, the universe is going to be like, you deserve better than that. So they may not even give it to you. And I'm going to show you why that's true. Okay, I'm going to show you why that's true. After you've identified everything you want, if you're someone who needs to stay organized, I highly recommend you make a list. That way you can then go find the images that align with your list. Because if you don't have the list, you might forget things. So I highly recommend list out what you want. And then for step 2, to find the images. That way you can refer back to that list. Now, if you're doing a physical board, like the one I did for 2023, you're going to need to align out everything and where you want everything to go. So before you glue it down or tape it, I taped mine because my board, you can use a poster board, but the board that I used is a reusable board. So that's why I use tape. That way I can take it off and redo it again for the next year. So lay it out, put everywhere you want it to be, and then when you are satisfied, then you glue it down. But if you're doing a computer version, which I'm going to show you the computer version, that's the one I'm going to do again this year on Canva, then it's similar but different. Okay, so this is Canva here. So this is different options that they have available in case you have zero idea on what you want to do for the vision board. You could just look up vision board on Canva. I do have Canva Premium, that way in case anybody knows. I'm not sure what options would be available if you don't have premium. It's not that pricey, but you could do it for free as well. But just so everyone knows, like, oh, how did you get that? So let's go with, I'm gonna pick one. There's also a lot of options here that I'm seeing that you could also use for like your phone backgrounds, like this one, how it's like, vertical. You could put that on your phone like this. This is something I would use. I have several vision boards. So I have a vision board that goes on my phone. That way I see that one every day. It looks slightly different from the one that I have on the wall. And then I also have a vision board on my computer. So let's do, I kind of want something like of this type of aesthetic. I'm trying to see. I can always add more pictures. So we'll go with this one. So we're going to use this. Customize the template. And now this is what it looks like. You can, of course, modify however you want it to modify. And then you can upload your photos or whatever it is you want to have and whatever it is you want to accomplish. So I know that there are some key components that I want to keep the same from last year. So like this one, I like to have that. So I'm going to put that here. This I thought was super cute. So I'm going to, oh my God, keep that one. A G-Wagon is still on my vision board. So I'm going to put that one here. And I'm actually going to move it like that. Let's see. I do like my spirituality aspect. I'm going to put that here. Let's see. I'm actually going to keep a lot of the similar things from last year on here. These are just reminders, you know what I mean? Just reminders. And now I'm going to mix in some photos of me. This is still on my vision board here. Actually, I need to edit this because there's actually different. We're gonna delete this one. We're gonna go back. I'm going to show you here how I edit these images. So I already went through my vision board and I edited some things, as you can see. So I changed out some things. That picture is where we ended off last. This one right here for my TikTok, I went and changed it out because the picture that I had on my vision board from last year, my photo isn't the same, my bio is not the same. So that way it felt more real to look at. I hope that makes more sense. So I changed it out. We're still aiming for 1.1 million followers. I think my old one, oh no, my old one did say 1.1 million as well. So the G-Wagon is still going to stay there. I added this 888 Mercedes-Benz tag that I've actually seen when I was at the beach. I added this big picture of me in the center because I am a goddess. The future is yours to create because it is. I have this picture of me because body goals. Hello. I added abundance. I'm going to edit this picture and I'm going to fix these things. But in the meantime, we're editing this. So we're going to edit this. So right now I have 222 subscribers, 2.22K. And we're going to edit that to say what I want it to say. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So first, you're going to go to elements, you're going to go to square, and you're going to go to color, right? So you're going to pick out your color. I'm going to see, add new color. Oh, here we go. Click this, and then match the background. You can make it smaller, like this. Just, I would say make it small enough to only cover this part. That way you have less to type. See? Now it's gone. And then we're going to try to match the text. It doesn't need to be that specific. It's if you're, you know, picky about that, then that's, I guess that's on you if you want to do that. But we're going to try to keep it simple. Okay, that could work. We'll see. So I want to be at 1 million subscribers as well by the end of the year. So I'm just going to put one... I'm just going to say 1 mil. I really don't know how that's supposed to look like for YouTube. So now we're going to match the fonts. So we're going to go in and do this exact same thing. Take this and try to match the font like that. So we want that font, right? We do this. Was that the font? No, that's not the font. Let's try that again. There we go. Ooh, that's not right. That's not right. Okay, let's try it again. So we want to match, I guess, this one. There you go. There you go. So I'm going to just move it down a little bit. Should I have it say million? What does that look like for other people? Let's see. YouTube. Let's go to someone who has 1 million followers and see what that looks like on their page. As you can see, I watch a bunch of things. I need someone who has 1 million. Okay, so he does. Ah, here we go. This is what it looks like. This is what we wanted to. So it's just an M. So it's just an M. Okay. So just put M. I think there was no space. So like this. So then move it closer. Like that. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. I feel like that looks good. I'm gonna leave everything else about the image the same, and then you're going to save it, download it, go here, upload the file. It's this one. Oh, it was not that one. It's this one. Hello. And then you're gonna place it wherever you want to place it. So we're gonna put that one here. See? Boom, bam. So now I kind of want to change this image. I'm gonna change these words. Hold on. So I'm going to put money comes to me in increasing quantities. I spelled that wrong. Holy sh. Increase. Did it not? Hello. There. What? There we go. Increasing quantities through multiple revenue. Why can't I spell today? Revenue. Oh my God. Money comes to me in increasing quantity through multiple revenue sources every single day. Boom, bam. That's an affirmation I say to myself every day. Like, I kid you not, I say that to myself. So we got that. Journey, I think I want to put, instead of journeys, we have abundance. I'm going to put prosperity. And that's a little big, so we're going to make it like that. Prosperity. Okay, so this is what we got so far. I think it looks pretty decent. Just believe in your dreams. I think we're going to say, let's do something else here. The more I relax, the more I attract. I love that one. The more I relax, the more I attract. Period. Yep, period. So this is going to be that one. Cute. This I don't like, so we're going to delete that. Okay, I'm going to mess around with this a little bit more, and then I'll be back. Okay, we are finished. This is the final product. I think it looks really good. It's really cute. I'm gonna go through it with you. I added this. It says, it's simple. If I want it, I get it, because period. My life is always like that. Wealth is a mindset. That way I keep reminding myself. Debt-free, because who doesn't want to be debt-free? I'm worthy of the love I desire. A picture of me with body goals. At the bottom, this is an affirmation that I say all the time. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied tenfold every single time. I am a master manifester. I always get what I want with ease. And then, of course, my YouTube goal is to be at 1 million subscribers. And then money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple revenue sources every single day. Great affirmation to use. I use it all the time. Of course, I like this very spiritual photo because I'm going to stay tapped into my spirituality. I have entered my most wealthy, spoiled, and successful area, because period. People love me, people value and respect me. Love that. My G-Wagon. And then, of course, my TikTok goals here. The more I relax, the more I attract. And then, of course, a money in the bank goal. I live a life of luxury and I deserve it. That is my vision board. So now this is what I'm going to do as I do. This is the second year in a row I'm going to be doing this. If you go to cheap Canvas, or if you go to Canvas discount, you can get it for cheap. I need to save this first. So we're going to save it. We'll leave it at PNG. Then if you go to Canvas discount and upload a photo, it would be not this one. Where did it go? Did it not save? Okay, now it did. Upload. It's this one. Open. I like having mine on a canvas because I'm extra like that. You don't have to do that. So this is it. This is showing you what it would look like. Of course, I would need to tweak it a little bit because I see that it's cutting off my image or whatever. And this is the largest you can get it is a 20 by 40. If I remember correctly, the one that's above me is also a 20 by 40. I'm just showing you an example. You don't have to do this, or you can even make it small. So you do like the really small ones. Just play around with it if you want to go the canvas route. You do not have to. You can also get this printed as an image and just put it in a picture frame. So I might do that as well. So you could just get it printed and then buy a really pretty picture frame on Amazon, like a gold picture frame. I might actually do that. That would be an even cheaper option. Or you can just take all these images that you have here and print them out and put them on your poster board. So that is how I do my vision boards. Now, do you want to know what came true? I just recently bought a Mercedes, or I just got a Mercedes, and I noticed that on my vision board from 2023, right here, is a picture of Mercedes key. That's exactly what my key looks like. And I noticed that today because now it's been 24 hours with my baddie in a Benz, and I was like, the key. I have a Mercedes-Benz. Like, look, I even have Mercedes-Benz right here. And then on my vision board from last year, I have a G-Wagon on there. And then, of course, the one on here, it's the same G-Wagon. That is my next step. But I have so many quotes on here. The things that came true. Doll Like Beauty did very well in 2023. I'm a born entrepreneur. Business flows in my veins. Doll Like Beauty was very successful in 2023. I have a picture of me doing makeup. Like, my vision board, on par. A lot of things came true. So now I'm excited to see what's coming true for 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It is free. I highly, highly appreciate that. I am a small channel. Well, no, I'm not. I'm a big channel. Let me know what you put on your vision board. I would love to see it. I hope you guys have a good rest of your mornings, evenings, afternoons, whenever you're watching this. Bye.